You've been adding more, as you always do, in the nasty recent correction. What did you add?
I added some Zcash.
Why?
I bought more SUI, obviously, but I added a bit of Zcash.
Last time you said, because it was going crazy in December, you said, I'm going to wait for it to go down, and I'm going to see how it plays out and how it reacts.
Correct. And that's exactly what I did. And into the correction, I started buying some. I didn't buy enough, obviously. You never do when it goes up a lot. But because Zcash is... So we've talked a lot about smart contract layer ones, right? In the world of, store of value, there is only one. Well, there was only one, really. But now we've got another one, which is, it has a subsection of that. And I think, I was talking to Barry Silver about this the other day, is to assume that it could be 10% of Bitcoin, 5%. Great. In terms of, how much economic value it has. Privacy in the world has value for people. And I think people will understand that more. And so therefore, it's a very easy trade. It's Bitcoin with privacy. Yeah. I love a left curve trade and a right curve trade.
Yeah.
The mid curve is, well, they're going to ban it. They're going to do it. Fuck, I've lived this all through all of my crypto career, right? It's always been, they're going to ban it. They won't allow you. They won't do it.
What's your left curve trade?
The left curve trade is, it's Bitcoin with privacy.
What's the right curve trade?
The right curve trade is also quantum proof. And what you're actually doing is proofing yourself somewhat to the power of government that has AI control over the people. All of this thing, the bad outcomes, it gives you a lot of different attributes that are probably very valuable. And people don't know it now, but in the future, what's the probability? It's reasonably high.
When you add an asset like Zcash, how do you think about allocation, portfolio-wise? Do you have a target? I want to put 5%, 10%. Or you just say, I will have a dollar amount.
Unfortunately, it's just been trading too strong.
Yeah, it's been crazy.
Yeah. So I didn't. I was going to buy some, and then I bought some, and then I was going to buy some more, and then I forgot because I was traveling, and then it's like, oh, fuck, it's up 50%. And then I'm like, I'm not going to do this, even though I know they're probably good prices, but you know what it's like. I didn't execute it well. So yeah, we'll see. I won't switch around my existing portfolio for it, I don't think.
So this was new cash?
New cash. But we'll see.
You mentioned hype before. And I talked to Dan Tapiero, and he mentioned hype multiple times without me even asking about it. So I was like, oh, the macro guys talk about hype and Hyperliquid, which I think everyone kind of started to realize during the war and the weekends. Oh, this thing is actually helping to price oil markets during the weekends when there is war. And you're a macro investor, so you must have thought wow, this is something really new and kind of crossing the chasm into mainstream and traditional finance, which is what we're really trying to do in crypto. What are your thoughts on Hyperliquid and what these guys are doing? Even on the hype token, are you not tempted to do something about that?
If I don't use it, I wouldn't buy it. And I'm just not a trader. So, we talked about that. So it's just not for me. I don't use perps, I don't use leverage, I don't use any of this stuff. So I get it, but it is a niche within a broader ecosystem. And it's a great one. You can have great niche products, but it has no real moat around it. I mean, Robinhood are going to come after that as fast as they can. And eventually Coinbase too. Now, can Hyper out-execute them? Possibly, probably, I don't know. Don't really have a view on it, but it's not my trade. Now, 24-hour markets, great. But I mean, literally everybody's talking about that.
You move fast, your money should too. KAST lets you spend stablecoins across 170 plus countries with a card that works at 150 million plus merchants. No waiting, no bank friction. Just money that keeps up. KAST, keep it stable. Check the link in the description to learn more.